Okay, guys, I know it's been like 2 years, I think. Maybe one, probably.
Year and a half.
Year and a half. I'll show you a new magic trick today. First, shuffle the cards. Shuffle the cards. Okay, so now what we want to do is say somebody picks a card and this is their card and I don't want to look at it. Hopefully that's up to the camera. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you ask them to put the card back on. Wait. Yeah. So put the card back on top. And then so I'm just gonna do performance first and I'll show you how to do it. And then cut it. 1, 2, 3. And then you say we're gonna go through the deck and find your card. Okay. Now pick a number between 3 and 20.
9.
9? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that it?
Nope.
No? Oh, I forgot to say. And then before that, you were supposed to ask them. You were supposed to say that turn their card invisible. So after that, you say put your invisible card back on top. And then take that. Then you recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That's it.
Okay. Now, show you how to do it. Okay. So the first thing, since I already know what the bottom card is, and that's part of the trick, just so you know. Since I already know what the bottom card is, I kind of have to shuffle it now.
Show them what the bottom card is.
I know, I will. Oops. Okay, so whenever you do this, you always have to look at the bottom card very, very secretly. Because if you are done shuffling the cards and you just do this, very obvious. Don't do that. What you have to do is, like, right when you're done shuffling, usually people look at the bottom for some reason, and that's your time to look at the bottom. Okay. So you say pick a card, and they pick, how about this card? Now in this case, I can actually see it. It is the 2 of diamonds. See it? 2 of diamonds. Next time, put it back on top. And then the person who's doing the magic is gonna cut it, and then the spectator can cut it how many times you want. But just make sure it's in between 5. After 5 is gonna get a lot. Or you can just do it yourself. I like to do it myself. And then what you say is we are going to search through the deck for your card. And then what you do is you search through the deck for that card. But that bottom card was your key card. So it's basically, wait, what was the bottom card?
10 of spades. Why don't you show them how the bottom one and the top one are together?
Okay. So what you do is you look through the deck for your card.
10 of spades.
No, it's not. It wasn't 10 of spades.
What was it?
It was 2 of diamonds. So you look through the deck for the 2 of diamonds, and when you see it, or the bottom card, what you do is you take their card, which is on top of this pile, which must be the 4 of diamonds, and you put this on the bottom. So you keep it at the bottom where it is, but you take their card and this little stack and put it on top. And then when you say is, so now we're gonna make your card invisible. So hold your card, and then take their invisible card, and they hold it. And then what you do is you say, pick a number between 3 and 26. And when you're doing that, you just casually count out 3 cards, and then you do this. As you can see, there's a little tiny crack, I guess, in there. And then when they pick a number,
3.
3. Okay. So you go 1. You count this first card as 1, which is their card. You put it on the table or wherever, and then you count the next 2 cards that were also in that break as 1. So as you can tell, 2 cards stuck together. Don't need glue. Stick it together. Please don't use glue. You stick it together like this. I know. Don't use glue. Caution, don't use glue. Okay. So you just put it on top and you count it as 1, even though there's 2 cards in that little pack.
So 1, 2.
2, and then you actually take another, just one single card, and you put.
That's 3.
No. Yeah, you put it on top, and then
3 was the number, yeah.
Okay. So when you get to their number, the number before their number is the card that you stop at. So this is number 3. You say, "Is this your card?" And of course they'll say no, because there's the 4 of diamonds. You put it back on. You put the card back on top, and you say, "Okay, put your invisible card back on top," and that's what they'll do. And then you'll put this little deck on top, and you say 1. Don't put 2 cards together this time. Just 3 cards. 1, 2, 3, and that will be their card.
Yep.
Of diamonds. Yeah. I hope you like that trick. It's really, first time I learned it, it was so difficult. I couldn't even remember the steps. So
practice.
hopefully I made it easier. Cause it wasn't easy. Just so you know, magic takes a lot of practice. Like a lot of practice. So yeah. That is it, I guess. And see you later.
Hasta la vista.